We inform, we advance, and we strengthen each other. Greetings to everyone. You are watching the video from me, Ramasene. On this video, we are going to talk about a very sensitive issue on the international world, and I will expect you to watch till to the end to have a full information in regard to this matter and hear what is my view in regard to this matter. We are going to talk about the undergoing conflict between Israel in friendship with America and the country of Iraq. As it is what is said all around, America and Israel have decided to attack Iraq on different particular matters. And if you can listen on the video until the end, you will be able to hear and understand what is the reasons behind that and what do I think about that. So as we will be able to see on the videos attached, America have decided to send as much weaponry as possible to attack um, Iraq by itself with the help of Israel. We know it can happen that America will attack Iran probably, but the impact of such decision, all of us will have to understand that have impact on all of us around the world, because Iran, among others, is one of the oil countries, and all the world need the oil that Iran and the Persian Gulf states or countries are supplying. So now we'll be seeing on the video the conflict that erupted and the confidence that was sent by the high ranked army soldier or army official in Iran, saying the missile that they've just sent to America are far of a low level than what they will now start to begin using against America, as you can see by yourself.
بیتو زدن حرومیا یا ابوالفضل صاف کردن.
ترامپ بداند ما برای اینکه سالها با شما بجنگیم از پیشرفته ترین امکانات امروز برخورداریم. اول جنگ هرچی ته انبار داریم میزنیم، اما در ادامه قوی ترین موشک هامون رو خواهیم زد. اون چیزی رو که تا الان رو نکردیم و به قول ما بچه ایرانی ها تو
Now, Iran is so confident about what it feels it can be able to do to defend itself. But the first question that comes around is, now we have a problem of America and Israel attacking Iran for the reasons that both sides are justifying. And then different kind of people, either be religious, either Christians or Muslims or people with different beliefs, they are showing their opinions or views into what is happening. But among everything that is done, we should be asking ourselves, who is giving a position that is of far more important of the major interest for the good of the world, and what is it that we should be expecting to come and see happening as the results of that. But we see few days after that, America deciding by use of Italy to have a ceasefire with Iraq. The first question that you're going to ask yourself is why America, after an attack of the Iraq, that of which allegedly led to the loss of life of their leader, then America decided to make a ceasefire against Iran, of which has decided, Iran by itself, that it will not accept such interaction. Now, Iran is about 32 kilometers of the Strait of Hormuz, which is the area that controls the travel of the oil into different countries, be it Africa, be it Saudi Arabia, and the major countries that use oil from the Persian areas or the oil producing places. They have to pass through that a strait called Hormuz, of which is controlled by Iran. Then allegedly Iran have decided that it's going to stop any movement of the oil ship that are passing through that area that will be moving the oil into the other parts of the world. Are we not going to see now suddenly Iran controlling the distribution of oil into the other countries or other states, whereby into some stage we might see the oil prices and the prices of everything goes up, because now the supply of oil into areas like China and Russia and the others are not able to utilize that. And because there's so many states are going to be affected by the actions of America, what are we going to see as a reaction of the other states in America based on them being affected by the behavior of America? Are we going to see states starting and retaliating and pleasing America to stop having conflict of Iran, of which affect the other countries of the world? And what the people in America themselves think about what their president Donald Trump is doing. In my opinion, I think the reaction of America is far more serious than what is turned out to be. But one of the intelligent person said America have done that because Israel was threatening to take far more action that the international world doesn't know Israel have possession of. Like Israel was threatening the nuclear weapons, allegedly, according to the gentleman, of which the world didn't know Israel to be having. Then America decided to do the aircraft attack just to satisfy Israel, for Israel not to react on the nuclear action that allegedly the gentleman said America had to act accordingly. And now suddenly America have decided to stop the conflict after the alleged death of Ayatollah Khamenei, which is the major leader in Iran. Are we going to see the ceasefire coming, or are we going to see the intensifying conflict because now the Iranian people felt they have lost one of their important people? Let us hear what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Thanks for watching.